residence, religion, language, custom, festival, etc. Though we are different, we live cooperatively. We celebrate festivals of each other. We greet each other. We help each other in work and other things. Whenever it is the schemes of government for the development, it is for everyone, not for particular one. Dr. Radhakrishna, who said, if we want to survive as nations, we must accept the need of unity in diversity. Because of this diversity, we are able to have this kind of development. Then we discuss about think. Indian unity is also expressed in our national anthem. When we are singing it, Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravid, Uchchal, Banga, we can see the national unity here. Now we are moving towards page number 92. Jagarasta, start reading. You can use slide also.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Asta, start.
But sir, it's not coming.
So
Screen
coming
is,
only.
Slide is
Sir,
coming.
but
You
which I
mobile,
have not.
see.
Sir, it is coming. It is coming.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yes.
sir. Unity in diversity. Different castes, religions, customs, culture, languages, etc. are integrated in India. Though India has diversity of culture, it has been able to create a variety in culture. India has followed the principle of Vasudhaiva
Vasudeva Kutumbam.
Vasudhaiva Kum
Kutumbam.
Sir, what? Kutumbam.
Kutumbam.
Kutumbam. India is a secular country. She separates feeling of religions, tolerance, and equality in the world. In our country, we see combination of various religions, castes,
Religions.
languages, and festivals. People live a life of
Coexistence.
coexistence. People have developed and conserved this unique diversity.
Yeah. Unity in diversity, we are going ahead. As we know, people from different caste, custom, religions, culture, language, speaking different language, they are integrated, means merge with one another. Though we have much diversity and variety of culture, we are one. Our principle of our culture is Vasudeva Kutumbam. Whole world is a family. As we know, ours is a secular country. Secular country means a country which doesn't follow any religion. Country follows only constitution. Yeah, it respects all religions. All religions are allowed. But government does not follow any particular religion. She spreads feelings of religious tolerance and equality in the world. Religious tolerance as well as equality means all religions are here. Almost all religion of the world, major, I'm talking about major, found in India, and they live equally. They have equal rights. In our country, we can also see the combination of religion, caste, language, festivals, etc. All of them are together. All of us. Suppose we are Hindus, we celebrate Eid, we celebrate Christmas, we celebrate Pateti, we celebrate Mahavir Jayanti, we celebrate Guru Nanak Jayanti. All are same. We can see the combination. People live a life of coexistence. We are living with cooperation, coexistence together. And by this only, we develop the university, sorry, we develop our culture as well as our nation because of we are united. Yes, now next topic is efforts for diversity and equality. What are the efforts made by the constitution, or in other words, we can say government, for equality? Yes, next one, Machar Yasvi will read.
Okay, sir. Efforts of diversity and equality. Discrimination is seen due to diversity. Discrimination on the basis of rich, poor, male, female, literate
Literate,
and illiterate, literate and illiterate,
urban,
urban and urban, rural, and chastity are seen in our country. In ancient times, social cultures are a, a corruption based on
occupation
Varna
based,
system. So, so hence differences based on caste came into existence. Right to equality is given to everybody, so everyone gets equal opportunity, justice, and status. RTE has given right to education. Equal opportunities are granted to women so that their honor and respect can be maintained.
very good. Now, what are the effects? And government has taken effort. First of all, we are going with effect. As we know, discrimination has been seen in our country. How? Rich and poor, male and female, literate and illiterate, urban and rural people, and caste. Caste system is also there. In our culture, we have four caste system: Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. And because of this, we can see differences in the society. To remove this, the government has given us, constitution has given us right to equality. Means everyone is equal without any discrimination of caste, color, creed, religion, language, whatever is diversity. But all of us are equal. All of us have equal opportunities, justice, and status in eyes of constitution. Besides this, right to education (RTE), according to it, 6 to 14 years child has right to free education without any discrimination. Everyone has right to get the education. In this way, we try, or our government try, to maintain equality and maintain everyone, provide equal opportunities to each of the citizen of our country. Then next one, Balani Yug.
Yes, sir. Due to constitution's right, people follow their own religion, speak their own language, celebrate their own festivals. Discrimination is decreasing after Independence Day. Independence. Some seats are kept reserved for creation caste in
Person.
elections and jobs. Scholarships are financial help is also provided to students for further development in social, economical, culture, and political fields.
Political fields, very good. Due to the constitutional rights, as constitution has given us rights, people can follow their own religion of their choice, speak the language their choice. They celebrate their own festivals. And discrimination is decreasing. The rate of discrimination is still available, no doubt, but discrimination rate is decreasing after independence. Whatever the condition in 1947 and whatever the condition is in today, it is much different. Besides this, Constitution has given us rights in some seats, as we call it reservation, in election, job, etc., so that everyone can get chance. Scholarship and financial help. Some of you get scholarship and financial help by the government for studying and further development. We can also develop by this economically, socially, culturally, and politically. This way, government has taken many efforts to make us equal or to decrease the limitations of diversity. Now, discrimination between girls and boys. Antara Dhyana.
Yes, sir.
If you have text, you can start. Right.
Okay, sir. Not only in India but also in the world, women play a major role as a recourse in national development due to biologic difference with a social and cultural viewpoint. There is a difference in the upbringing of girls and boys. So we find a difference in their development also. Today majority of women remain engaged in cooking, household crops and upbringing children. Women don't have importance to take deci-
This
decisions regarding family matters. Girls are deprived and deprived of health care, education, and economical rights. Girls are not giving equal. What is this, sir?
just a minute. Are you reading from text?
Yes, teacher.
Girls are
Yes,
not.
sir.
Just a minute. Girls are not getting equal opportunities in the field
Okay,
of
sir. Open units in the field of sports, education, there are deprived of moving freely and thinking independently. They are not even treated equally. Girls are victims of child marriages, purge system, dowry system, and other evil customs because of low return rate.
literacy.
Birth of boy is given
Prefer
performs perform so girls become vitamins of female.
female
What?
poeticide.
Okay, less number of female in various fields show the discrimination between
Discrimination.
male and female clearly. With the rising level of education, this discrimination is gratefully
Gradually
disappearing.
disappearing. Yes. Here on the slide, you can see the points of this paragraph. Discrimination between girls and boys is now available. Even today, we are in 21st century, but we can see at our home as well as at our surroundings discrimination between girls and boys. In comparison of 1947 means past, it is much different. We have developed much. We have also developed our mindset, but still it is available. Women play a major role as a resource in national development. How? Many women, suppose nowadays, current days, Olympics is going on. Females performing well in comparison to male. At every field, in government offices, private sector, companies, science, technology, where girls play an important role. Due to biological difference, as we know, biological difference is there between boy and girl. With the same, social and cultural viewpoint is also different. In our mindset, I am not talking about every family, but generally, in our mindset, we divide or differ boy and girl for upbringing. I have also seen in many families that boys who are acquiring higher education, girls stop their education after some Boys are studying in different schools, girls are studying in different schools. Boys has some freedom, girls has less freedom. There are many reasons, no doubt, many reasons. But still, this kind of discrimination is available. We can see in our society. Besides this, in our family, if we talk about family, women don't have importance to take decisions regarding family matters. Regarding family matters, generally male in the family take decisions. In some of our family, women play important role, no doubt. But many of our families, women they are not even asked for some particular decision. Besides this, girls are deprived of health care, education, and economical rights. In comparison to boys, girls have limited rights related to healthcare, education, and economy. They are also not given equal opportunities in sports and education. In many of the families we have seen, when it is time to send girls to outside the city or town, she is not allowed. Even today, we have developed much, and so then, in many of our families, they are going even out of country. But we can still see this kind of discrimination in sports, education, everywhere. And because of this, they are deprived of moving and thinking freely. Suppose boy can move any places in the town, even today in our house, your house and my house. But girls, they have limited power. They can move, but limitedly with some particular one. And this way, we discriminate boy and girl. And because of this, girls are victim of child marriage. You aware child marriage, marriage before the age of 18, Parda system. It is still available in some of the families. Most of the family Parda system has decreased or not available, but some of the family it is still available. And other evil customs are there. Besides this, literacy rate is also low. And because of this, girls become victim of female foticide. Female foticide. In past, we have evil practice Dudh Piti. According to this system, a female baby or child at the time of birth, means after birth, it was killed by drawn her into a vessel full of milk, and that is called Dudh Piti. Nowadays, because of the development in science and technology, we are aware that before birth, we can know whether the baby will be male or female, means boy or girl. In this way, we destroyed female child and tried to get male child. This has created discrimination or much difference between the figure of male and female. Today, whatever the last figure was, for 1000 male means boy, there are about 800 and something figure is there. Girls are there, and this will lead many problems in future. So we should try to remove this kind of discrimination. In many of the families, girl has been given much importance. Suppose we can see there are many families who has only a girl child or two girl child. They are not preferring boy, or they are not discrimination between boy and girl. This way, our chapter is going to finish. Next page, things to know. It will read by Dudrejya Mihir.
No, sir, he has written good morning.
Just a minute. He has written good morning. Vagasya Rajvi.
Okay, sir. Less number of students in various fields show the discrimination between male and female. With the rising level of education, this discrimination is gradually disappearing.
Yes, we can see everywhere. The number of female is less in jobs, government offices, private sectors, sports, everywhere. But as education level is going higher after independence, so this discrimination is or number of this female and male, whatever the ratio, difference ratio, it is decreasing. And nowadays, at many places we can see more females. Suppose in our school, there are more female teachers in comparison to male. And this way, we can see or we can decreasing the discrimination. Yes, Rajvi, continue.
Okay, sir. National Commission
Just a minute,
for
beta. Only 5 minutes remain, so that we have to move towards attendance, because after this